Okay, we're going to go over some trick words here. We're going to practice saying and reading those, and then we're going to practice spelling it without the word there. So, our first sticky note says read the word. Second one says practice spelling the word. And the third one says cover it and try to spell it. And then our last one says if you're incorrect, try again. Okay, so we can say these words together. They, they. Okay, so remember, we've got our digraph TH, and then the EY is saying A, they. When you're ready to spell it on your own, you're going to take our word cover. You're going to cover the word, double click in the box, and then you're going to type it, spell it. Okay, now to see if you're correct, you uncover, and hey, we got it right. Okay, then we'll move on to our next word. One. One. And this is kind of a tricky word. That's why it's called a trick word. O-N-E spells the number 1. Okay, then we're going to take our word cover. We're going to cover it. Double click in the box. And we're going to spell it. Okay, now, when I uncover it, oh, whoops, we forgot an E. So I'm going to cover it again. I'm going to try again. O-N-E. 1. Okay? And then you're going to do the same thing with the last word. Our last word here is said. Said. Okay, when you get done with that, move on to the next slide.